Hi, Douglas Simonson here. Keep watching because today I'm going to show you how I painted this self-portrait. As a self-employed artist, I find that I'm always needing new headshots, images of myself that I can use in social media, on my website, anywhere I need promotion. I recently moved from my apartment in Puerto Vallarta to a house with a garden, which is where I'm standing right now. And I was thinking the garden would be a great setting for some new headshots. So the other day, I took my phone out into the garden and took a whole bunch of selfies, and they turned out pretty well. So I was looking at some of these images that I shot and thinking, these would be fun to paint. And it's been a while since I've done a self-portrait. So I found one I liked. Well, I liked the headshot. I didn't like the background. So I took the background from another photo and put them together in Photoshop. And I got something I liked. So then I tweaked the whole thing in Photoshop, which is what I usually do. And this is what I ended up with. So after cutting out a piece of canvas to the size I want, I pin it to my easel, which is a panel of sheetrock, tabla roca in Spanish, and I then transfer the big shapes of the image onto the canvas with pencil. Then I cover that with an acrylic wash, and while that's drying, I mix the basic colors I'm going to need to start out with. And then I start painting, and that's where this time-lapse video begins. And this is the final painting. I call it Self-Portrait, the Artist in His Garden. You can see it now on my website at douglassimonson.com. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like these videos and you want to see more. And if you did get a little inspired watching me paint, go! Put on your painting pants and go paint!